Let us move on to our next topic, that is lending analytics. So, in the lending industry or lending sector, the lending atmosphere is hastily altering. Hastily altering means continuously changing for banks, credit unions, microfinance, non banking financial institutions, and other lending organizations. So, the alterations in market environment will make an impact on lending business. Each and every minute, the lending atmosphere is changing because of the changes or alterations in the market. What a lending organization should be doing today is develop KPIs to persistently monitor concentration risk. KPI means key performance indicators. So they will use these KPIs, they will develop the KPIs, key performance indicators, to monitor the risk associated with lending. The reporting process should be automated to ensure accurateness and appropriateness of the information. So every information related to this lending sector should be accurate and appropriate. Then only the lending organizations can take correct decisions. With lending analytics, the lenders can do customer segmentation analysis. That is the main purpose or main aim of lending analytics. The lenders can do the customer segmentation analysis. What is customer segmentation analysis? They can divide the customers into profitable customers or non-profitable customers. That is the customer segmentation analysis. When integrated with profitability data, the lenders can ascertain which customers are driving maximum revenue and profits. The customer lending business is centered on the notion of managing the risk of borrower default. So the lending business should be concentrated on what? It should be concentrating on decreasing the risk of borrower default. Then only the lending business will become profitable. Credit scoring systems and predictive models attempt to quantify uncertainty and provide guidance for the identification, measurement, and monitoring of risk. So, who is helping the lending organizations in categorizing the customers or doing customer segmentation analysis? Credit scoring systems and also predictive models like lending analytics help them in clustering or segmenting the customers. A vast majority of lending institutions, that is over 90% of lending institutions, use FICO scores to determine the credit worthiness. What is FICO score? FICO score means Fair Isaac Corporation, that is full form for FICO, Fair Isaac Corporation. Originally, it is known as Fair Isaac and Company. It is a data analytics company. Data analytics company based in California. And FICO score, that is a measure of consumer credit risk. That is a measurement of consumer credit risk. It has become a fixture of consumer lending in the United States. In United States, FICO score is used as a measurement for measuring consumer credit risk. To determine the credit worthiness of the consumer, they are using FICO score. The FICO score breaks down an individual's financial profile into 5 categories. These are the 5 categories. First one is payment history. Second one, outstanding credit, length of credit history, then amount of new credit, and fifth one is credit types. So payment history, they are giving 35% importance or priority. For outstanding credit, they are giving 30% importance. Length of credit history, they are giving 15% importance. Amount of new credit, 10%, and credit types, they are giving 10% importance. So calculating all these 5 categories, the FICO score is calculated. By considering a weighted index constructed from these categories, the FICO score is able to provide a picture of an individual's creditworthiness. Now, what exactly does predictive analytics have to offer? Actually, predictive analytics is a toolbox that includes mathematical techniques and processes that are applied to historical data to study correlations, identify trends, and make predictions on possible outcomes by quantifying the uncertainty and the characteristics of the variation. So, predictive analytics, what is lending analytics? Lending analytics is actually a predictive analytics which uses the historical data to study the correlations and also identify trends, and they make a prediction. In the case of identifying creditworthiness, a data scientist is tasked with finding the right combination of factors that can most accurately explain an individual's risk profile. So they will consider the factors that can actually or accurately explain the individual's risk profile. These factors could include the individual's financial profile, current economic measurements like GDP, GNP, etc., and also the individual's geographical data. They are also using it.